What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and I've been looking for a solution for my iPad Pro as far as a screen protector that looks really good and protects really well. And I found it, so let's get into the video. Now, shout out to the good folks over at Smart Devil. They sent this out, and this is the Book Flip Series screen protector. Dust-free, high-touch sensitivity, strong anti-fingerprint, explosion-proof, drop-proof, and scratch resistance. So let's check it out. Now you're just gonna open this packaging like so, slide it open. And what you're gonna have here is like a book. Just open it up and you're gonna have everything you need. The screen protectors, you're gonna have the cleaning kits to clean your screen before you install the screen protectors, and this book that closes while you're installing the screen protector, just to make sure it's a dust-free install. Now you're getting two screen protectors, and these screen protectors aren't regular screen protectors. These both are tempered glass, 9H hardness, very protective, most protective screen protectors you could get on the market. And you got some instructions, but this is very, very simple. So I'm gonna take the cleaning kit and make sure that my iPad Pro screen is nice and clean before I actually apply the screen protector. Now the screen on my iPad is nice and clean. I just put it in this book face down, make sure it's nice and within the box how it's supposed to be. Now I just press down on the box and pull this tab out. Here we go, guys. Now, as you can see with the screen protector on, guys, you can see the colors, you can see the wallpaper. It's ultra clear, super transparent. Also, you look, it doesn't pick up a lot of fingerprints or smudges. My hand is kind of sweaty right now. As you can see, my fingers is not leaving a whole bunch of fingerprints over the display because of the Smart Devil screen protector. It works with my Apple Pencil, no issues, no problems. Apple Pencil definitely compatible. You don't want nothing that's cheap and that's not gonna work with your Apple Pencil, guys. This feels like it's not even a screen protector on here. At the same time, it's designed to be very, very scratch resistant. As you see, I got a whole knife on here, just running the knife across the screen protector, and it's not picking up any scratches. But if you want an easy solution for a screen protector for your iPad, I'll definitely put a link down in the description. Shout out to Smart Devil for sending this out. It's your boy BG Tech Life. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe. I'm out. Peace.